Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm here and I'm making some jerk chicken. I've got the coal. They're a bit cold, so I'm just giving them a fan so they get proper hot to get this jerk chicken on the roll. Get this jerk chicken going, guys.
Dad, Dad,
Yeah?
say hi.
Go change the clothes and then come say hi. I've got the chicken inside, so I just want to get those coal ready and then so some jerk chicken on the thing today, you know. So guys, I'm still fanning the, I want all the coal to catch. Let they get proper lit. See that, guys? So guys, I've got my chicken there. The chicken, what I use to marinate it is jerk seasoning. Maggie seasoning, guys. I always tell you about Maggie seasoning. I only use Maggie seasoning to cook because it gives your food such a good taste. Such a really good taste. And I'll drop a link in for the Maggie seasoning as well. Also, I use all-purpose seasoning. So I'm gonna get ready to put this chicken on, guys. Yeah. So guys, I'm just gonna put the chicken on. So now that the chicken is on, I'm gonna leave it and I'll check in with you back soon, guys. So guys, have a look, the chicken's coming on good. I'll show you. Yep. Also, I've got a bottle of Budweiser, guys, which I'm gonna put on the chicken. It's either beer or Budweiser, whichever beer you got. Meanwhile, you're jerking the chicken, you put some beer over it. Yeah, guys, just leave them there, let they cook, slow cook. Yeah. So guys, let's see how these chicken getting on. Yeah, they're coming on all right. Just slow cook, guys. I'm gonna put a bit more beer over them so it keeps them moist while they're cooking. So you know this is gonna be the very best Jamaican jerk chicken, right? Jamaican style jerk chicken. Yeah, guys. As you can see, the chicken. They're getting cooked up. So you need to constantly turn them. Put some beer on it. Let them cook. Yep. Chicken there, guys. They're coming on quite good. Yeah, just getting them slow cook. So guys, the chicken nearly done. As you can see, looking good. Just gonna put a little bit more beer so they keep moist, moisturized, don't get too dry. Yeah, guys, I'll just give them like another 15 minutes, then I'll turn it off. I'll take them out. See that, guys? How you think they're looking? So guys, yeah. Also, I've got some sausage that I'm gonna put on as well. One of them. One of them.
What's the same for them?
So guys, I'm gonna put the sausage on. And as you can see, the chicken is there, juicy and moisty, not all dried out. Remember, use beer on your chicken so it gives it like a good taste and protect it from drying, getting all dried out, guys. Yeah. So guys, that's the end of the road for the chicken, jerk chicken.
And the sausage.
And the sausage. As you can see, that's my chicken there. That's a sausage. well done juicy lost chicken
And sausage.
and sausage. So guys, thanks again for watching.
Subscribe.
Please remember, if you're watching my videos and you like them, please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. And if there's something that you need me to try doing as well, you can leave it in a comment. Make a comment, tell me, say try this and I'll try it. Guys, remember, like, share, subscribe. As Jaden said, stay healthy. And remember to like, share and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.